Hello everyone, welcome to Krishna Flute Academy. Today me and Varunji are in the class. So today I want to share with you a lesson on hissing sound. And hissing sound is a major problem of many flute students. All of us struggle to practice this hissing sound. Everyone of you have experienced this. So I want to teach Varunji where he is getting facing the problem. Then also with this live example, you will also relate with your playing where he is getting struggle, and you will able to understand if we do this and this sound will come. If we do my way, this sound will come. The clear difference you will understand. Okay, let's start our class with a live example with Varunji. So Varunji, let's play Sa. Notice it is a perfect Sa, but I am playing the Sa. Quite a long. So why I can do this where he is not able to continue little stretch. So if I am trying to copy his part, he is doing. See, both of our expansions are similar. Now play again Sa. Now he has a very beautiful blow, but major point is his positive things is his angle of flute is perfect, so that he can able to able to make the perfect sound. Means angle means not to outside, not to inside. He has a perfect angle, means so that the blow sound is coming superb. But he will getting struggle when he play Sa Ni Dha Pa. Please Sa Ni Dha Pa play. Now Pa continue. Now if you have observed bottom, can continue play that. Now see, he is getting struggle when play Sa Ni Dha Pa Pa Dha Ni. Everyone Sa Ni Dha Ha Pa Dha Ni Sa. So when he is doing this, his body is shaking, his belly, stomach is going inside because he is blowing. Or even I also facing the same problem. So one more time we will watch. See his chest, his belly, his chest, both are going inside. Means he is giving all the blow and the sounds for the sounds. But if I am playing, so I can do this because the difference. Now we are approaching to the solutions. Now you understand the problem. Basic problem is basic sound problem. Sa Ni Dha Pa Pa Dha Ni Sa. If you do like this, then where is the issue that you have seen? Now we are approaching to the solution. Now Varunji, you blow first. How the blow you are putting into it? You just blow it. No, not using flute.
Now I was blowing like.
Okay. Now blow in for this. He has a fantastic power. See the energy? But all the energy is draining. All the energy he is draining out. But he has a fantastic energy, fantastic power. If he knows very how to deal with it, then his sound will be improved. Now, Varunji, everyone see how I am doing it. Very small, and pressure will be here, not here. Means we are using these muscles. Do this. Now, if you do this, you will understand your stomach, your this side are going, just releasing the air. That is the problem. These blow won't work, not at all work. Now you will take all the air in your mouth and slowly release with this pressure. More squeeze. Yes. If you observe, there is no movement of his body. Means you will also face the same. No movement of his body. Continuations of, see. Now, Varunji, make it more. Now everybody's watch this place. This muscle are getting involved. Now blow with this only sa. Now observe, when he was blowing earlier, it was fantastic, but when he's taking the flute, his body is again shaking and doing the same things what he was doing. So that is a major problem. No. Cut. You know that always use your 80% of your air. Suppose you have capacity of 100%, don't use 100%. Cut it on 80%. Now you see, 3 to 4 seconds you can blow like this, not more than that. But if I blow (16 count of blow), you can go for 24, you can go for 32 easily, no problem. But concentrate and practice this part. So if you maintain this 100%, may you will use 80%. Do not use for all of your energy. Now you will again do this. More squeeze. That is the power you are putting it. Now more squeeze it. Stop it. Now do it in my hand. Now you feel it. Now you feel it. Okay. Now give me your hand. Now feel it. Understand the difference. If you more squeeze, difference between and these two difference you need to find out. Chalo. Now when he is taking the flute,
Actually, I'm able to make this squeeze, but not able to put it on the
Correct.
flute right now because of the practice. And so
this is the genuine problem. It is not for his problem or kind of, you all of you know very well, when you doing this you are facing the same problem. So that's the reason I took help from Varunji to make this video. Blow will be improved day by day if you practice this more. So be remember, more squeeze and hold the breath for time. Means take the breath, hold the breath and release it from here very slowly. See how long you can stretch. If you can stretch that 16 count, you take the flute and blow it. You can easily get a beautiful sound. So remember 2 points. Number 1, squeeze it more. As you can see, these positions muscles will be involved, not gland, not these, not these. Number 2, your body, this part and this part will not involve in this. Okay. Third is you more use your 80% of your energy. Do not use your 100% of your energy. So these are the major 3 parts. If you practice, you can improve your hissing sound. So it is one example of hissing sound video. I will help you with more and more video on hissing sound. So I hope you understand this. Practice this again and again until and unless you will have a beautiful sound that you can listen from your ear. Yes, I did it. I have that sound. So till then you practice. Okay. See you in another video. Bye bye.